Hi guys, this is Dr. Rajeshwar from YR PharmaTube. In the preceding lesson, we learnt aromaticity and the Haeckel's rule. If you did not watch it, hit the I button on top right of this video to watch it. For the other topics of benzene and its derivatives and other topics of organic chemistry, the links are available in the description below this video. Watch them. In this lesson, we will look at the nitration, sulfonation and halogenation reactions of benzene. Aromatic compounds undergo many reactions, but relatively few reactions that affect the bonds to the aromatic ring itself. Most of these reactions are unique to aromatic compounds. The most common reaction of aromatic compounds is electrophilic aromatic substitution. Electrophilic substitution is a process in which a hydrogen of an aromatic ring is substituted by an electrophile, that is, by a Lewis acid. The reaction is characteristic of all aromatic rings, not just benzene and substituted benzenes with minor variations. In fact, the ability of a compound to undergo electrophilic substitution is a good test of aromaticity. This class of reactions include substitutes by a wide variety of electrophilic reagents because it enables us to introduce functional groups directly onto the aromatic ring. Electrophilic aromatic substitution is the most important method for synthesis of substituted aromatic compounds. These include substituents such as halogen, a nitro group, a sulfonic acid group, an alkyl group, or an acyl group. Starting from only a few simple materials, it is possible to prepare many thousands of substituted aromatic compounds. For example, substituted halobenzene, nitrobenzene, benzene sulfonic acid, alkyl benzene, and acyl benzene, and their derivatives are prepared from simple compound, that is benzene. We will begin with the nitration reaction. Benzene reacts with concentrated nitric acid, usually in the presence of a sulfuric acid catalyst, to form nitrobenzene. This reaction is called nitration, in which the nitro group is introduced onto the benzene ring by an electrophilic substitution reaction. The nucleophile in this reaction is the nitronium ion. Nitronium ion is formed from the acid-base reaction that takes place between nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Nitric acid functions as a base to accept a proton from sulfuric acid, followed by the loss of water to produce nitronium ion. It might seem strange that nitric acid functions as a base rather than an acid, but remember that acidity is the relative factor. Sulfuric acid is a much stronger acid than nitric acid, and it will protonate nitric acid when mixed together. The resulting nitronium ion then serves as an electrophile in an electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Mechanism for nitration. Benzene undergoes a two-step nitration reaction to form nitrobenzene. In the first step, benzene reacts with the nitronium ion to give the cyclohexadienyl cation intermediate, which means that the electrophile nitronium ion adds to the benzene ring to give a sigma complex. And in the second step, the aromaticity of the ring, that is in nitrobenzene, is restored by a loss of proton from the cyclohexadienyl cation. Nitration is not limited to benzene alone, but it is a general reaction of compounds that contain a benzene ring. Aromatic nitration does not occur in nature, but it is important in the laboratory because the nitro-substituted product can be reduced by reagents such as iron, tin or tin chloride to yield an amino-substituted product. Attachment of an amine group to an aromatic ring by a two-step nitration reduction sequence is a key part in the industrial synthesis of many dyes and pharmaceutical agents. For example, aniline is prepared industrially by a two-step mechanism from benzene, in which benzene is initially nitrated followed by reduced to form aniline. Sulfonation of benzene. Addition of sulfonic acid group to benzene by an electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction is called sulfonation. When benzene is treated with fuming sulfuric acid at room temperature, a sulfonation reaction occurs and benzene sulfonic acid is obtained. Fuming sulfuric acid is also known as oleum, which is a mixture of sulfuric acid and sulfur trioxide gas. The electrophile in this reaction is sulfonium ion, which is a powerful electrophile. When oleum is used, the sulfur trioxide is protonated to produce the electrophile sulfonium ion. When used in an aprotic solvent, sulfur trioxide is a strong electrophile to react with benzene without protonation. When the reaction is run in sulfuric acid, we find that even sulfuric acid is basic enough to deprotonate the cyclohexadienyl cation. The structure of the product of this reaction is benzene sulfonic acid. Sulfonation of benzene is reversible, especially at high temperatures. Treatment of benzene sulfonic acid in steam generates the parent benzene. Reaction mechanism. The reaction of benzene with fuming sulfuric acid to yield benzene sulfonic acid is a typical electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction which occurs by a usual two-step mechanism. An electrophile first adds to the aromatic ring and a proton is then lost, which is much similar to the nitration of benzene as discussed above. In sulfonation reactions, the electrophile is a sulfonium ion. Among the variety of electrophilic species present in concentrated sulfuric acid, sulfur trioxide is probably the actual electrophile in aromatic sulfonation. Aromatic sulfonation is a key step in the synthesis of such compounds as the sulfur drug family of antibiotics. The sulfonic acid functional group commonly found in azo dyes affects both the color of a compound and its solubility in water. A sulfonic acid group can be converted to a sulfonamide group to form sulfur drugs. And the last reaction of this lesson is halogenation of benzene. Benzene is normally unreactive in the presence of halogens because halogens are not electrophilic enough to disrupt its aromaticity. However, the halogen may be activated by Lewis acidic catalysts such as ferric halides or aluminum halides to become a much more powerful electrophile. Lewis acids have the ability to accept electron pairs. Benzene reacts with chlorine or bromine in the presence of Lewis acids to give aryl halides or halogenated substitution products in a good yield. Thus, benzene on chlorination yields 90% chlorobenzene and bromination forms bromobenzene of about 75%. The Lewis acids typically used are aluminum chloride or iron chloride for chlorination and iron bromide for bromination reaction. The purpose of the Lewis acid is to make the halogen a stronger electrophile. Chlorination reaction is used in the synthesis of numerous pharmaceutical agents, including the anti-allergy medication loratadine. Analogous reactions with iodine and fluorine are not synthetically useful because iodine is too unreactive and fluorine reacts too violently. Electrophilic aromatic halogenations also occur in the biosynthesis of numerous naturally occurring molecules, particularly those produced by marine organisms. In humans, the best known example occurs in the thyroid gland during the biosynthesis of thyroxine, a thyroid hormone involved in regulating growth and metabolism. The amino acid tyrosine is first iodinated by thyroid peroxidase enzyme and the two of the iodinated tyrosine molecules then couple to form thyroxine. The electrophilic iodinating agent is an iodine species. Many fluorine-containing aromatic compounds are particularly valuable as pharmaceutical agents. Approximately 80 pharmaceuticals now on the market, including 18 of the top 100 sellers, contain fluorine. Sitagliptin used to treat type 2 diabetes and fluoxetine, which is an antidepressant, are examples. The reaction mechanism essentially involves three steps. The first step is the reaction between chlorine and ferric chloride gives an ion pair containing a chloronium ion. In the second step, the reaction of chlorine and ferric chloride ion pair with the pi electron cloud of the aromatic ring forms a resonance stabilized cation intermediate represented here as a hybrid of three contributing structures. In the last step, proton transfer from the cation intermediate to chloronium ion forms hydrogen chloride, regenerates the Lewis acid catalyst and gives chlorobenzene. Treatment of benzene with bromine in the presence of ferric chloride or aluminum chloride gives bromobenzene and hydrogen bromide. The mechanism for this reaction is the same as that for chlorination of benzene. The major difference between the addition of a halogen to an alkene and substitution by halogen on an aromatic ring is the fate of a cation intermediate formed after the halogen is added to the compound. The addition of chlorine to an alkene is a two-step process, the first and slower step of which is the formation of a bridged chloronium ion intermediate. This intermediate then reacts with chloride ion to complete the addition. With aromatic compounds, the cation intermediate loses proton to regenerate the aromatic ring and the enhanced stability this provides. There is no such aromaticity to be regained in the case of alkenes. This is the list of a few references followed for the lesson. That's all in this video, the nitration, sulfonation and halogenation reactions of benzene. In the next lesson, we will learn the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Till then, never stop learning and never stop watching my videos. Thank you for watching this video.